Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new cordless ratchet wrench set.
This KIMO Electric Wrench comes with two 1000 charge cycle 12 volt 2.0 AH KIMO power batteries, one 60-minute fast charger, one KIMO BMC case, and 7 sockets and one 3x8 inch to 1/4 inch drive adapter. It only weighs a merely 2.2 pounds with the battery. Plus it has an ultra slim head design. The electric ratchet can reach tiny spots to ratchet nuts and bolts effortlessly. So it's going to be perfect for any auto maintenance, construction, or home repair work. It's even equipped with 2 pieces of rubber that's going to withstand corrosion materials and increase your comfort while you're using this ratchet. One of my favorite features is that it has a built-in LED that's going to illuminate the work area, while the onboard fuel gauge will display the remaining runtime for your battery as well. With a max torque of 40 foot-pounds at 400 RPMs and a variable speed trigger, this cordless ratchet is going to perform just like your air ratchet, but without all the annoying cords and the constant loud noise from the air hose. This is going to be a great addition to your tool collection, or it will make a great gift for anyone in your family.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be